Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Moga Dishes. Today we're going to be making a potato salad. Here are all my ingredients I'm going to be using today. Start off by melting half a cup of butter. Now add half a cup of flour. Now gradually add a cup of milk. You're going to want to mix it all together. Add a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of salt and a handful of parsley. I also add 5 slices of cheese. I grated half a mozzarella stick and 6 potatoes. I presently layer everything on top like it's lasagna. You're going to want to put tin foil on top of it. If you like, you can also add bell peppers. I cooked it in the oven for 30 minutes and this is how it should look like.